Part 13, Weather, Holidays, Hobbies and Weekend English Conversation. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today's lesson is about speaking English in everyday life. We'll learn how to talk about the weather, holidays, weekend plans, hobbies, and free time. These are conversations that native English speakers use every day. So, relax. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after me. And speak with confidence. Let's begin. Lesson 97, Talking about the weather. Imagine you're talking to a friend. Good morning. Good morning. How's the weather today? It's sunny and pleasant. That's wonderful. Do you like sunny weather? Yes, I do. What about you? I prefer rainy weather. Really? Yes. I enjoy the cool breeze. That's nice. Have a wonderful day. You too. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 98, Weekend Plans. Imagine you're talking to your friend. Hi. Hi. What are your plans for this weekend? I'm going to visit my grandparents. That sounds nice. What about you? I'm planning to watch a movie and read a book. Sounds relaxing. Would you like to meet on Sunday? Sure. Let's meet in the evening. Great. See you then. Excellent. Repeat everything. Lesson 99, Talking about Hobbies. Imagine someone asks about your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books. That's great. Do you play any sports? Yes. I play badminton every weekend. Do you like music? Yes. I love listening to English podcasts. That's a great way to improve English. Thank you. Now repeat the conversation. Wonderful. Lesson 100, Holiday Conversation. Imagine you're talking after a holiday. Hello. Hello. How's your holiday? It was amazing. Where did you go? I went to Goa with my family. Did you enjoy the trip? Yes. We visited beautiful beaches. We tried local food. We took many photos. That sounds wonderful. Repeat again. Excellent. Lesson 101, Making Plans. Hi. Hi. Are you free tomorrow? Yes. Why? Let's go to the park. That's a great idea. What time shall we meet? At 5 p.m. Perfect. See you tomorrow. See you. Excellent. Lesson 102, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Weather, holiday, weekend, hobby, vacation, beach, park, sunshine, rain, travel. Repeat after me. The weather is beautiful today. I'm going on vacation next month. Reading is my favorite hobby. Let's enjoy the weekend. Wonderful. Lesson 103, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Weather, weekend, vacation, holiday, sunshine, beautiful, hobby, relax, excellent. Speak slowly. Speak confidently. Lesson 104, Listening Practice. Now just listen. Last weekend, my friends and I went to a park. The weather was sunny and pleasant. We played badminton, took pictures, and enjoyed delicious food. In the evening, we watched the sunset together. It was one of the best weekends of the year. Now answer. Where did they go? They went to a park. What did they do there? They played badminton, took pictures, and enjoyed food. Excellent. Lesson 105, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I speak English every day. I enjoy learning new words. I communicate confidently. I practice with patience. I am becoming fluent. Every lesson makes me stronger. I believe in myself. I will never stop practicing. Fantastic. You're doing an amazing job. Congratulations. You've completed part 13 of our English speaking practice series. Thank you for learning with me today. Every lesson you finish brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally and confidently. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It comes from daily practice, consistency, and confidence. So keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking English every single day. If today's lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more free English lessons, real-life conversations, pronunciation practice, vocabulary building, listening exercises, and daily speaking sessions. In the next lesson, we'll learn English for mobile phone conversations, online shopping, social media, and digital life. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.